Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kumshibanta ka jingrakhi ya ka jingdap sa punyo Snem na do balaseng ya ka Bharatiya Janata Party ha ka khatwei tarik uyayong aja punrio ka BJP Meghalaya State Union kalarakhi ya ka nisngi kerpang ha office rekam jongka hanong ba Shillong da ka ba Pynkup Burom mi ki samla ki barayo khur ya ka takmaksiar takma rupa pat takma renong ha ki rensan ya le kai sports ya ki bala no senyang show sub uthiar jong ka thok katar barki weki benta ka parti kala Pynkup Burom ru yiki riu rangba ka parti ki badan benta ban penkhai ya ka parti BJP ha Meghalaya berkumju ru ka parti kala Kenmau Burom yang MLA Barim uba Martin and Majau bam kwai war blay ubala no senyang Shagadzilla da ka Wanrah ya ka an ka bakhang thiet jaka yiki wei pat gijai bin riu ki bamdei ki riu lum ya ka bala tim benta kum ka Meghalaya land transfer ang ha ka ni ka jinra khel ai dan langru ki MLA jong ka parti ki bakanthop yaw ba san bor shulai ubade menteri ka sarkar jilla uba Alexander Elheng unong aktin ka parti uba M Kharkrang kinongkit kambarim bat kiwe ki ba shakhot ngobha.
Everybody knows, even I have sent the individual card to the party that today I'm having an inauguration program in the constituency which I cannot defer the date. So that's why I'm very happy that me and Bahek we are able to join the second session. So I'm very happy that this time, before I'm not aware, but this time we must appreciate the initiative taken by the party to organize this felicitation program on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya State. To all the senior citizens of State Meghalaya, and especially those senior citizens who have devoted their life, who have devoted everything, their time and energy, mentally, physically, and even financially for the party. Thank you so much. God bless you. And also, the party is organizing a felicitation program to all our young sportspersons, both boys and girls, and I wish you all the best. And the one message I want to send to you that if you read the teaching of the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, the three Pradai, the Bhagavad, it teaches that this is also the teaching of the Constitution of India. And one of the messages of none other than our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the entire world, that we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So in the remaining part of our life, all our brothers and sisters, our young friends, that in the remaining part of our life, let us pray for each other and let us work together to strengthen the activities and to strengthen the party BJP in our Meghalaya State. So thank you, and God bless you all.
To celebrate the 47th foundation day of the BJP. We have completed 47 years and we have so many years ahead to strengthen the party organization. That is, it has depend on every individual and all the party Karyakata to take the responsibility to ensure that we are going to every nook or corner of the state and take the flags of the BJP to ensure to invite all the people to join the BJP party. Today I'm very happy also to know that we look like the alumni. All the many old BJP Karyakata, they are assembled here today. So it's like the BJP Meghalaya Alumni Day. I am also very immensely impressed for organizing the seminar and the extempo speech to all the different colleges have been participating in this program. I congratulate to each one of you who are present here today, and also all the winners who are going to be receiving the awards or the prize, whatever prize this is given by the state party. And also we have also the program for the great sport personality who are excel in their different fields in the sport activities. I congratulate them also, and a party today they are doing to honor them, to felicitate them, and congratulations each one of you. So we all here are the party Karyakata. Maybe I am MLA, Basangor is a minister, or president, or a general secretary, or the spokesperson, but we are all the Karyakata. It is our responsibility to ensure that we will be organizing the party and strengthen and keeping in mind this upcoming GHADC election also, and also the MP by-election also at the same time for the Shillong parliamentary seats. We have to keep in mind to ensure that how we are going to fight for this 2 immediate election which is just upcoming in our mind in a few days ahead. So I will not take much of your time, but I like to just to share with all of you, whether you like it, you not like it, but I will tell you. You like it or not like it, I want to repeat this also. There is the amendment of our FCRA bills, which I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We should, as much as possible, we have to take all the stakeholders together before we implement the bill of FCRA. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
Plantation. And he's also interested in human rights commissions, Switzerland.
He's the first person to be the MLA also 1998.
So he's the senior most Kolkata. He is 92 years of age.
Yes,